everyone! Today I have brought you back to Battersea Park for another wandering, but this time we are not wandering through the park. You can check that one out on the playlist for the London Parks and Gardens. It was beautiful, but we are back because the lockdowns are, well, the lockdown itself has been eased slightly, and we are now allowed to go to outdoor spaces like a zoo. And here in Battersea Zoo, Battersea Park, there is a tiny children's zoo. So I'm gonna take you today for a wandering there. I'm gonna go join the queue. As you can see, there's a few people. And then I'll pick it up from inside the zoo once I got my ticket. Right. Fun bike experiences as well. Okay, after 40 minutes of queuing, I'm finally in. And the first stop is the Ringtail Lemurs. And they're in here. I'm gonna wait to get closer to them. Here we go. Little lazy bunch. Hello, cutie pies. Look at the grooming session going on. And look at that tail. If I remember correctly, they have about 25 rings, alternating between white and black. And there's more black stripes or rings than white ones. They're so cute! Now it's gonna be hard to film because there's a ton of people. This is the first weekend that the zoos were allowed to reopen, so but I really wanted to come and see something different, so hey. Look at your little face. Hello. Must include some beautiful blossom as well. Okay. There's a playground for the kids and the statue of a big turtle. It's very nicely done. Trying to... There we go. Now let's go explore. On this wall there is something they call birthday bricks. I assume that you give a donation to support the animals and then they plonk your name and birth date on. It goes all the way down. This is the Wallaby enclosure, and I can see one there having a rest in the sun. I hope that I'll get to see them up on their feet as well. There's two parrot types in here. The orange-winged Amazon and the turquoise-fronted Amazon. Sadly, the light is not good here, so you can't really see them properly. And they're having a nap as well. One is there. One is up. Where are you? There. But he's in the shadow. Okay. He's up and he's munching. And then there's another one in the enclosure there. I think it's that part of the day when they are chilling. little sleepy skink.
I can't see anything.
Can we see you? No. This is the eternal problem with glass. He's so cute.
We're looking for a turtle.
Snoozing.
People.
And that's a corn snake.
See, green black ones in there.
I'll show you its skin. Because the glass is fogged up, okay? There.
And this has got
Mommy! I want to go
And that's a Mexican red-knee tarantula.
Let's go about that.
Sun beetles. Come on, turn around. We can still see them more.
What do we find in here?
Then the
Oh,
other
Ringtails.
things.
Did you see the big tarantulas?
I just found the other
Back in
skink,
the eye.
so there's two of them. This one is snoozing as well. And look, his little tail is holding on. They're actually called the prehensile tail skinks because they use their tail as a fifth arm.
And the ninth is fly hook.
I'm gonna call you.
Here's some giant African land snails. Look at them.
Mommy, what's in here? Mommy,
Okay, one is having a feast.
No, the chameleon's right. That's what.
This is the one we can see the best.
Yes, the mulatto. Yes, the chameleon.
There's a flying tree frog up there. And there's another one here we can see better. It's called Fee's Flying Tree Frog. They look really cute. They are one of the largest species of tree frogs in the world. And the funny thing is, look, it's a repurposed toilet. That they planted. And that's where Frog is sitting. Well, one of them. Okay, there's two more here. We can see these ones better finally. Anything that's behind glass is so hard to film. Oh, look at you too. Oh. They're very high up. I'm struggling to put my arms up that high. Now, here are some green and black poison dart frogs. This is a bigger tank and the little dude is very, very far from me. As they're very tiny. There's one more hiding in there.
Three hensile tails.
Oh my god, tarantula.
No.
I've not managed to see them
Oh my god, no.
properly. Oh, where did you go? One more attempt. The colors don't show. Oops. Okay, the wallabies. The noise you hear is some jumping contraptions that are near me, and the kids are jumping on them. Filming inside was a nightmare. He hopped here in the meantime. Okay. These are the cages where the tamarins are. These ones are the cotton top ones. There's one. I saw another one. Again, it's not hard, not easy. Oops. To film when there's so many gratings. But they're chilling. Let's have a look. Oh, there you are. Hello. Can we see you? Hello, cutie. And here in this other cage are the emperor tamarins. Now,
Excuse me. Apparently the sign there says the tunnels.
there's so much shouting, and it's not done by animals. Oh no, the little tamarin is not happy. Okay, I hope you could see his face. As I said, these ones are called the emperor tamarins because of their moustache. That's copying one of the Austrian emperors. Well, it's the other way around. First they were the Tamarins, and then there was Willem, or whatever his name was. They're very tiny, they're really cute. There's another one there. As you can see, they are super fast. Come closer. And one of my favorite creatures, the little meerkats. This time, yeah. Hello! They are behind glass as well. In Newquay Zoo, you could see them properly. They were not separated by glass. Hello, little buddy. Are you gonna have a tomato? You can hear the tamarins fussing. Okay, where are your mates? Okay, there's two of you there. Where's the rest of you? They have a nice enclosure. I'm not quite sure how many there are. I can only see two. I'm sure there's more. Hello! Look at you doing your sentineling. Oops, and it's gone. I'm struggling again to see what I'm filming because the sun is in my eyes. Okay. Bye, little buddies.
Where?
No, you can't. Okay. I just realized that on the other side there's no glass. Okay. Hopefully we get to see them better. Yeah? I still can only see two. Yeah. Oops. Ah, he's off. And digging in. Okay, this is the Otter Enclosure for the Asian short-clawed ones. I just can't see them. They must be behind it somewhere. And I read that they had 3 pups in December, so I was hoping to see them. Whilst the otters are hiding, let's look at some donkeys. There's one. And there's another one. They're beautiful. I think they're about 15 years old when I read about them, and they're brothers. And here's the other one. They're munching away happily. And they have another friend. And this is their friend. A Shetland pony. He came near me. Look at him! Another little cutie pie. Hello! There. So we can see you without the grating. Munch, munch, munch. It's got a cute head. Oh, you're smelling the poo. Hilarious creatures. And I found some beautiful grey crowned cranes. Oh, look at the beautiful heads. It's like they're doing the funky dance. From one bird to another. Some emus. They're feeding at the moment. Hello.
Whoa! It's not doggy, it's birdie.
You've got a funky head.
So cute. Say hello. Say hello.
Emus are the second largest birds on Earth after the ostriches. And their eggs are big as well. The funny thing is that the female lays them and the male incubates them. That's an interesting sound you're making. Cuckoo! It's almost like they're playing peekaboo. Hello, now we can see you. Did you hear that sound? Interesting. Cuckoo! And here is a cute laughing kookaburra. Really beautiful. Hello, are you alone? Or do you have a friend? They're part of the kingfisher family, these ones. They are very large though, compared to a kingfisher. Thank you. What you saying? You wanna get out of the cage? Yeah, I'm sure you would. Okay, we can hear them. That one actually just flew through that tunnel, so we were there. And joined his friend here. And I'm glad I got to hear them. It's the first time for me. I've seen them in documentaries, but I've never heard them before live. There we go. Okay, there's a couple of black-nosed sheep there in the distance. And here's the bottom of a giant pig. It's called the Oxford Sandy and Black Pig. And he's having a lie down. Beautiful colors. I wish I could see him. But he's snoozing.
It's big.
And there's a disused helicopter, which they turned into a climbing thingy for kids. It's pretty cool. And we can actually hear a helicopter just above us. Circling. Where are you? There it is. This is the kids' play area, so there's some pirate ships on this tiny pond, a lighthouse, and there's another pirate ship. There's a cool wooden sculpture of a baby bear and a mama bear. Looks nice. And here is a pair of common eider ducks. Come on, I want to see you. These are the largest type of ducks in the northern hemisphere. They're beautiful. And if I remember correctly, these are the ones that have the special super soft and very good isolating feathers that are valued highly and stuffed into jackets. You're cute and beautiful. Okay, we can see their enclosure here. I'm surprised that they're not nesting. Would have been nice to see some little tiny ducklings in a few weeks, but I don't know their story, so that's that. Okay, there's some tiny zebra finches in here. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna manage to show them to you because they're really fast and there's gratings. And they're picking leaves, so I assume they're trying to make a nest. There you are, little cutie. And there's some parrots as well. There and there. Oh, it's terrible to film here. Okay, there's one. I hope you can see him. And they're gone. Okay. There we go. I found a spot where we can see them. They're very, very, very cute. Now these parrots look a lot like the green parakeets I've showed you, but these ones are, I think, called kakariki, the yellow-fronted Parakeets. Oh, very hard to. There's another one. There's a tiny little barn owl up there. I'm not sure how visible he will be. There. I can't do any better than that. Sorry. Now, inside there, those white birds are the Barley Starlings. It's actually making quite a lot of noise. But again, behind glass, it's really hard to see. Okay, I think we can see this one better. They're absolutely beautiful. And very noisy. Oops. And they're gone. Come back down, please. And there's a grey parrot hiding there. And I can't see him properly. And sadly I can't show him to you either properly. Oh, what a bother. But what we can see is his beautiful red undertail. Now, up there's a kitty cat. But not an ordinary one, it's called a Scottish wildcat. It's a bit different than the rest of the European wildcats. Look at us! I just saw him before I started filming. He's got a really cute face. There he is. Oh, more grooming. And there's another one. Okay, I didn't know there's two of them. Now we can see you both. Hey, don't fight. Well, we got to hear the sound they make as well. Cool. And two more cutie pies. Again, I can't see what I'm filming, but I hope you can see them. Oh, and monkey time. Where did you go? Oh, there's two there. These squirrel monkeys now are very peaceful. They can make quite a racket when they want to. Again, the grates are very dense, so we can't see them properly, and they're so cute. Yes, look at you. Hello. Yes, I know you're a master acrobat. There's quite a few of them in this enclosure. I don't even know where to focus. He's munching something. Oops. What's in your little hand? What are you eating? Ah. Here we go. There's more here. I'm not sure if this is a different type of squirrel monkey or the same, because I actually can't see. And some capuchin monkeys, brown type. There's a few of them. Oops. Hello. There's another one there. And some inside the house. Look at the way he's holding on. Oh, with his tail. He was down by that time. Again, they use their tails as a fifth hand or leg, whatever you wanna call it. And I think we can see them better from here. Are you gonna groom each other? No. It's having a sunny, lazy time. Hello. I can tell you one thing, they're a bit smelly. I'm sure it's all the territory marking and all that, but it does stink here. There. A 6-banded armadillo. Cute.
I find them quite remarkable. Look at them.
He's much faster than I thought he is. Hey. Okay, I came back to the marrows because they're so cute and I can film them better than other things that are in cages or behind glass. Look at them, cutie pies. Okay, well, I think this is kind of most I could manage to film in this tiny zoo. There were some other creatures which were hiding because they're nocturnal, or it was just completely impossible to film due to glass and human issues. But yeah, it was worth coming. I would like to go to a zoo when there's nobody in it other than me, the animals, and the zookeepers. Oh, look at them. Okay, if I find anything else, but I don't think there is anything else, I will add it in as a bonus at the end. But I'm gonna say goodbye now from here and from the cute little Maras. Have a good rest of the day and see you on the next wandering. Bye! The otters are finally out! Look at them cutie boys! Come on down, guys! Oops, have a little swim. And they're back. Okay, they're coming now. You're so cute. You can see that there's pups as well. They were born in December. It's April when I'm filming, so they are about 4 months old.
You want to look in here again? Come on,
Right, come from Shetland.
Yeah. Come. Let's dig there. Let's dig
And you can see meerkats in the background.
Sometimes we just want to go onto the waterfall.
He's pulling his brother's tail. Little chickies.
The babies and the mama.
I know they're not swimming. Maybe it's a bit chilly.
They're up there.
Look, looks like the mummy's got them.
What?
She's the one at the front. She's slightly bigger than her baby, but not much bigger. Meerkats. Do you think they're friends with the meerkats? Maybe they're coming over to say hello.
They're coming. Hello, cuties.
Harry?
Oh,
Harry,
perfect.
Harry, look, they're coming over.
And mummy.
Hello, Mama.
Hi. What is?
He's checking on the meerkats.
Harry, careful.
Can you hold on to me?
She's so tiny.
She's sleepy.
Oh, look, there's the meerkat.
They're getting closer and closer to the water. The pups. So I hope we'll get to see them swimming. Or not. Can you hear the cute squeaks they make?